guys, there was this trade that I want to pick and it's moving away from me, so let me quickly enter with full margin. I have $50 that I want to go full margin on this before I explain. Okay, so guys, let me go dex. Let's go 0.03, like 3. Okay, let me add additional. Is it network that this trade will come and pop on me? Let me reduce the lot and see. Okay, so I'm going full margin on this one. Okay, so they only allow me to go with 0.04, so I'll wait to see how this trade will go and then I'll put in. I give this signal in the Telegram group. Okay, so you can see it. So we bought gold yesterday, which is a swing trade. We are in profit already and we are buying again in addition, which is this one right here. So we keep smashing in profit. They are already in profit. So before I place this on all my funded accounts and those I'm passing account for and reach here, time is limited, but no worry, I enter with this on this account to see how it's going to go. So for the analysis, we have a divergence based on our PDF that we use to trade. So if you want to buy that PDF, the link is under the video description. So quickly, with the PDF guide, we have this as a divergence. Okay, let me delete this and delete this also. Delete this. So this is a divergence. Market is pointing down right here, and when you come to indicator is pointing up, showing a diversity of the market. So quickly we move into a buying opportunity at this first reaching somewhere here. Okay, and we are in massive profit already. Okay, so this one that we want to trade again is based on the consolidation that is happening around this area. So the buying opportunity is there already. So when you come to the lower time frame right here, so let me clear this. When you come to the lower time frame right here, okay, so let's go to 1 minute to see. Good. Good. So on the 15 minutes we have a break of this trend line. Okay, we have a break of this trend line right here that we are picking this opportunity on. So we just keep patient to see how this trade will go in our direction. So let's wait quickly. SL is below here because I'm going full margin on this account. That is why I'm not putting SL. If it go wrong, we lost the $50. If it go right, we win. So this is it. I'll keep on adding position till we reach the top. So we have this right here. We'll go and come back to check on this trade. Guys, the fire just set in, so we are in profit a little bit. So I'm going to add more position because this upside have been broken here. Okay, the upside here has been broken, so I'm going to add more position to this. So let's go. These guys, I don't know what is happening. They are not allowing me. It's due to the, how do you call it, the leverage that I'm using. I forgot to change the leverage. It says I'll be trading on a higher account these days, so I just want to start this small account flip again, but I forgot to change the leverage, so they are not allowing me to open any position as at now. Okay, but I must add a position to this before, but they are not allowing. So I'll just hold this a small position to see how it will go. Guys, it's better than getting nothing. I give the signal in the Telegram group as I said, so let's wait and come back to yo guys. So within some minutes back we move into massive profit right here. As you can see, price is still going up in our direction, so we keep moving till we hit our take profit as I gave the signal in the Telegram group. Here is it. Okay, both two signals are running in profit right now, so we just wait to see if our TP hit at 2380.95. okay, it's nearer now. Okay, we are at 2378 right here, so we are going to move into massive profit. I just reached work, so I have to see to work, so I don't know if I'll be ending this video here to close our TP, our profit at TP when it reach, if I'm not busy. Okay, so guys, see you in the next update. Yo guys, so full TP hit right here. I just got some time to check this for you guys. We are still moving hard into massive profits right here. As you can see, full TP is a hit on this particular one. On the Telegram channel, I give this signal right here. Okay, I give this signal right here. You can check it, full TP hit, and we are still holding the swing trade from yesterday, which is in massive profit, about 300 pips right now. Okay, so see you in the next update, guys. Goodbye. Today is Friday, so we'll meet on live trading on Monday again.